Hey, and welcome back to CoinZoom. In this video, we will be going through the registration process, which requires KYC regulation. CoinZoom takes every measure to be fully compliant with international KYC and AML regulations. We ask that you provide a clear photo of your passport, driver's license, or government identification. If you select the driver's license option, you will need to upload a photo of the front side and back side of your driver's license. Following that, we require a selfie of you holding your identification. Please make sure that your images you upload are well lit and high resolution. A common issue with registration rejection is low quality images or even lack of documentation. For example, uploading passport but failure to upload the selfie with passport. The clearer your registration photos are, the quicker we can approve your account. We ask that you put in the last 4 digits of your social security number and then agree to all the terms and conditions and legal terms. You will only get 3 attempts to complete this process, so please make sure all of your information is absolutely accurate. You may need to wait a few minutes for verification. Be patient and maybe try leaving the page and returning to check your status. Once your account confirms you're approved, you are free to start trading right away.